Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make a pie chart in Google Sheets. So first of all, you're gonna go to this link here, open up your browser and search for Google Sheets on Google and tap on the first link, which is google.com/sheets, and then tap on go to Sheets option here and you will be redirected to this blank page here where you can now edit your Google Sheets. So here you can see that I have some values here in column E. So let's suppose that you have some kind of data here that you want to display on a pie chart. So how you can basically make a pie chart here? So first of all, you want to go and select your data and then go to this insert and then chart, and then here you can see that we have this chart type. So tap on this arrow here and we can now choose from multiple charts type. So here is our pie chart, so we can just basically have three different type of charts here, which is pie chart, donut chart and 3D pie chart. I will just tap on this one and here is our pie chart based on these values. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.